Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create categories in Shopify. Now, in order for us to create categories in Shopify, what we're going to do is use the option that we have here called collections. Now, to do that, we're just going to click on products, head over to the collections, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to click create collection right here. And yeah, from here, you're going to choose on what kind of collection you're going to be making. Say, for example, in my case, I'm selling watches here. So let's go ahead and try to look for sports watches. I'm gonna go ahead and type it here, sports watch, and then let's go ahead and just click the save button here. So once you do that one, you have now created a sports collection, and to add products you can click this one right here and you're gonna choose. So say for example, I'm gonna choose this one and this one as the products that I am gonna be adding under the sports watch collection. So you can also go ahead and click this one here in order for you to add image. So I'm just going to use one of the products image that I have here, and afterwards I'm going to click save collection. So now if I'm going to go ahead and close this, you can see that now we have added a sports watch. So this is for that category. Now say for example, let's go ahead and add another. I'm going to click create collection, and let's go ahead and name this differently. Alright, now say for example here, I'm going to go ahead and call this one a digital watch, just like so. And then I'm going to scroll down, click the browse here, and let's go ahead and choose this one, and okay, this one as well. So they fall under a digital watch, and we'll click add, and afterwards let's go ahead and save this. And yeah, you can do the same process until you have added here everything. One thing is to make sure though, go ahead and click this, make sure you add an image. I'm gonna choose the image that I have here, say for example this one. Click the done button right here, save, and yep, that is basically it. So now I have added 2 categories here for my watch collections, and that, everybody, is how you are going to create categories here in Shopify.